Hey guys, it's Adi here with Geek on Gadgets, and today we have a look at a really special app. Now, it's April Fool's, and obviously all the companies are doing April Fool's jokes. And Microsoft's April Fool's joke is a lot more elaborate than some people would think. So you might have heard that they released DOS as a software OS for phones, MS-DOS way back in the 90s or 80s even. But what you might not actually know is that it's a fully functioning DOS for your Windows Phone. So we have it here on our phone, and we're going to take a look at it. So we pop that open, as you can see here, we instantly get the little black DOS screen with the command lines, and there's a really lot of commands that you can do with this. I'm going to be posting a link to the full commands list in the description down below, but I'm going to run some sample commands and you can see what you can do. So first of all, obviously, we can just ask for the time, and it'll tell me the current time. We can change the color in the foreground or background, I believe, to 1E, to color to you, or you got a list of the available color options. So we'll just stick with the 1E that we have here. You have CLS, which obviously clears screen if you've ever used that before. So what you have here is really a fully functioning DOS client on your Windows Phone. You can even use it to open path files, directories, contacts, send SMSs, open the internet. Anything you can do with simply on your phone, you can actually do it through the DOS client if you know the proper commands. Now, I'm not going to go into too many details on the commands. I'm going to let you guys check them out yourself, but I'm going to run a couple more commands and show you guys some of the cool features. So one of the features is the camera app can be launched through the DOS client. So if we go to camera.exe, launch that, you'll get launching camera. And what you have here is like weird camera. It has a couple modes, as you can see here. That's me right there. Hi guys. We can switch to black and white, switch to CGA, ACSII, and you can take a snapshot or whatever and save it. And it saves into your gallery, which is pretty cool. You can switch between the front and rear facing cameras. Since it's an April Fool's prank in its essence, the app also has a bunch of Easter eggs that you can just search for and try to find. One of them I found is you can actually try formatting your phone through it. So if I go format C, so I'm formatting the C drive on my phone, hit yes, all data on non-removable disk drive C will be lost, proceed with format. Ooh, dangerous. Let's hit yes.
I'm afraid I can't let you do that.
So I assume that's like some old school voice assistant, like an older Cortana. So unfortunately I can't actually format my phone, or that's probably a good thing since I would have lost all my info, but whatever. One other Easter egg that I just want to show real quickly and without getting too much detail is if you type in Win. Now if you get Win, you will actually enter the launch command screen for Windows 3.1. So if we hit Win, enter, ta-da, Windows 3.1, Microsoft, with the old school flag. You got that sound, the notification. I'm sure a lot of people are bringing back some nostalgic memories here. And these are actually working icons. So if I hit calendar, I'll get a new event for April Fool's Day, which is pretty sweet. Open contacts will actually open my contacts. Mail will allow me to share this app through mail. And the best part of all, check this out. If I press internet, yep, old school dial tone, and then it'll open up my Internet Explorer, which you can actually open up through the actual DOS command as well if you just type in internet. So that's pretty cool. We also have maps, which seems to open up the maps in a certain location on Siesta Shores. Now, no idea what's supposed to be on Siesta Shores, but might be worth checking that out. Of course, you also hit review. You'll have the option to review the app in the store, which we'll do that later. And Marketplace will actually take you to the actual store. So this is a really cool actual DOS client that's fully functioning on your Windows Phone. I think it's just another one of those little, it's not very useful, but it's a really cool feature that you can show off to your friends and, tell them, bet your phone can't do this. And I'm pretty sure it's nostalgic for a bunch of people who grew up with actual Microsoft Windows 3.1. I think I started using a computer back on 98, 97 maybe, so I didn't catch up to that one. So what do you guys think of it? In terms of an April Fool's prank, I think it's really elaborate, and the fact that they actually made a working DOS client rather than just posting an article saying, oh, we're putting DOS on phone makes it just that much more interesting. You can grab the app from the link in the description down below, and if you head down to the source article also linked below, you can find a full list of the commands as well as, some of the Easter eggs. You can also even, by the way, play rock, paper, scissors versus the computer in this. And if you win, I heard 20 times in a row, there's a special surprise. So want to try that out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys around.